Okay, so I want to talk about an incredible call today. This is the Mockingbird. So this is a Beau signature series, and I've actually been building this call for a really, really long time. We've practiced with it, we've tested it, we've used it, and it's been very, very successful. Top to bottom, this call can literally do anything. And it's kind of more on the aggressive side, but this is what it sounds like. You can hear that front end really carries in this call. And so if you're looking for a mouth call that's very, very responsive and can do pretty much everything that you want to do, make sure you grab a Mockingbird today.